So we'll start a new lesson in linear equation. So we have linear equation is a simple equation in x, y or xy like that. Okay, now we will try to do some problems to understand the basic concepts. The cost of first problem is the cost of the notebook is twice the cost of pen. So write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So in this simply, so let us take it is cost of notebook. So let us take the cost of n like that. So cost of pen is Cp. What is its relation? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So Cn cost of notebook is equal to twice the cost of pen, twice C. Cn is equal to twice Cp. It's a linear, it's a simple equation in two variables. Or we can write this equation as cost of notebook minus 2 cost of pen is equal to 0. This is a perfect linear equation. So next problem, express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. So when certain linear equations are given, so we should try to write the same thing. For example, this one 2x plus 3y. So we minus 9 both sides. So minus 9 is equal to, in this form, we have to bring the standard form to tell what is the, so we'll, so no, it is clearly given. We have to bring in the form ax plus by plus c. Now in this case, simple, it's a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 9. So let us try next problem. X minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So here the value of a is 1. So 1 into x. Here what is b? See the minus, we can write this as minus 1 by 5 multiplied by y. So this is the b. b is equal to minus 1 by 5. So we have to compare with the standard equation. So and c is equal to minus 10. So the next problem we'll try. We can do this problem in two different ways. So we have to first bring the equation of the form ax plus c. We can see this, we can write as minus 2x plus 3y. If we minus 6 both sides, minus 6 is equal to 0. So it is of the form ax plus bx plus c. So in this case, a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus x. So we should not forget to put the sign. So this is a, this is b. Now this is C. What about the other problem? Here the second problem, x 1 is, so we have taken as 1, 1 multiplied by x. Here this we have shown here. The entire thing is including the sign. So the fourth problem we will take 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So in this y is not there. So a is equal to 3. B is by, b is not there. So b is equal to 0. C is equal to 2. So now we know how to represent the linear equation. So what we have observed in linear equations, x is multiplied by a constant, some constant a. A, B, C are all constants. B is a constant. So we know the value of P and C. So the standard form we are comparing. So the next problem, see how many solutions the equation y is equal to 3x plus 5 has. So how many solutions are there? So can you think, suppose for example, x equal to 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 plus 5, y is equal to 8. We can work it out. So x is equal to 2. Now 3 multiplied by 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 5, and then y will become 11. X equal to 3, y is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 5, 14. And it goes on. So practically infinite solutions. So next problem is, see, if he has given a linear equation, write 3 solutions for each of the following. It's very simple. Now put y is equal to, no, sorry, this y, x is equal to 0. You put what is now, this first term will become 0. Y is equal to 7. Let us take x is equal to 1. Then what will happen? 2 into 1. This factor will become 2. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Then the value of y will become 5. Because 5 plus 2, 7. If x is equal to 2, what will happen? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus y is equal to 7. So the value of y will become 3. So 3 values, we have 3 solutions. So we have done 3 solutions. There can be any number of solutions. Similarly, the other case, if x is equal to 0, 4 into y also becomes 0. If x is equal to 1, 4y equal to 1. Then y is equal to 1 by 4. If x is equal to 2, 4y equal to 2, y is equal to 2 by divided by 4, y is equal to half. 3 solutions we have found. So next, the equation, what it gives an idea. So the value if you put in the equation, it should satisfy. So the next problem, see, check which of the solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. He has given one set of figures. So we have to find, suppose if we apply whether the equation satisfies. Here the x value is 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. We will apply the equation x 0 minus 2 into minus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. No, it's not correct. Minus 2 it becomes minus 4. So it's not satisfying the equation. Rather here. So it is not a solution. What about next case? X is 2, y is 0. If x is 2, 2 minus 2y or something, that also is equal to minus 0. Is not equal to 4. So it is not a solution. So we'll go to next. Draw the graph of each of the following. Oh, that problem is not given. So I'll give a simple graph. Y is equal to 2x plus c. Constant values 3. So we just try to draw a graph. So first we have to prepare how we draw a graph. X is, you put the value of x as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. So we find the corresponding value of the y. So what's the value of y? Y is equal to 2x plus 3. 2x is 2 multiplied by minus 3 minus 6 plus 3. So x is, y is minus 3. If we put minus 2, what will happen? 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 3. 2 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So the value of y is minus 1. If y is equal to minus 1, sorry, x is equal to minus 1, this 2x will become minus 2. Then 3 minus will become 1. Y will become 1. If x is 0, y will become 3. If x is 1, 3 plus 2 will be 5. X is 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 2s are 4 plus 3 it is 7. If x is 3, 2 3s are 6 plus 3, y is equal to 9. Now you just draw a diagram. So you have to plot, you put one y coordinate, x coordinate, when x is equal to, for example, c, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2. So we'll start with x is minus 3, y is minus, so we are put here also 1, 2, 3, and plus side we put 1, 2, 3. Oh, it may extend further also. So we'll put 4, 5, 6, let us say that 7. So for minus 3, here this is minus, this is plus. This here it's y, here it's minus y. So the equation will come. So first point is here, minus 2 means it's 1, minus 1, x is minus 1 means it's 0. You should trust here, x is equal to 0 means it is 3, 1, 2, 3 here. Then it's 5. So straight line, it'll be something like this. You please do as per actuals. Okay. It can be something like if you draw actually, it will come correct. So we'll mark. This is -1, this is -2, this is minus 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So we can mark here 1, 2, 3. Here y is 1, 2, 3 like this. Here y, sorry, this is -1, -2, minus. Here y minus +1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like it goes. So what we have understood this problem, the equation instead of writing pen. So in this lesson, what we have studied, a cost of x and y, we can compare it. Write a simple linear equation of the form ax plus 5 plus c is equal to 0. That is a standard form. Linear means what is the power of x or y? This is a linear in with two variables. Variables are x, y. And what about a, b, c? They are constants. So instead of writing in word, we can express the sum in terms of x, y. So linear equation is first degree. So thank you for listening patiently. The Whenever we see if we draw a graph, that will give us an idea how the equation behaves. It is we can practice some of the graphs like to understand the equation and the graph. Thank you. Please go through the lessons again.